Hi guys, and welcome to another episode of Traveling with a Toddler. Today's topic is medicine. If you're going somewhere, you could possibly be traveling to a place where there's a bunch of different pharmacies and where you can get pretty much everything. There are times when you're going to be traveling somewhere where you can't find what you need for your toddler. So here are the things that we carry that are crucial and that are our first aid kit. Here we go. First on our list is obviously a thermometer. You want to take a thermometer with you whenever you're going somewhere, just in case there's a fever or something, or you feel like your child is feeling a bit under the weather. Obviously, not to mention the typical sunscreen, something for like a nasal spray that'll help with any congestions, and then obviously you want to take something for mosquito bites or bug bites of any kind. So we do have this variety where you have a spray for protection, and then you have these plant-based creams which help with any bites that might happen. And obviously you want to be taking something like ibuprofen or paracetamol with you so that you can reduce fevers, or when it gets really complicated, you have something as a first aid kit. We carry syrups like Aries. Now helps with allergies and everything. I'm trying to find, it's desloratadine. So there's that one. Obviously, you want to be taking something that will help rehydrate a child that might get a stomach flu of any kind. So we have two varieties. One is kind of for adults, and one is for toddlers. And the electrolytes, obviously. You can mix them with water at any time to replenish any lost water or rehydrate a child. And then you're gonna need something for cuts or whatever, and you can use something like an antiseptic, like this one. This is Octanicept, and that's an antiseptic. And I think I covered it all. I think that one thing that I missed was probiotics. Obviously, if you're traveling to countries that are a little more heavy on the stomach side, if you know what I mean, you want to be taking also probiotics with you. So that's what we take. If you guys have anything else that you take with you that's really important, write it below. If I remember anything, I will add it to the comment section as well. And thank you again for watching another episode. I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll catch you next week, same time, same place. And subscribe, like, and comment.